Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafifan and my message number is 2024580305. First, let me introduce Memoria Jewels. Our focus organization for this project, Memoria Jewel, is a boutique jewelry brand that was established in 2025. They specialize in elegant handcrafted jewelry that embodies the concept of soft luxury. Next, the brand started as a small online venture but has grown into a recognized name in Asia's emerging jewelry market through their commitment to quality, refined aesthetics, and timeless design. Their mission is to craft elegant jewelry that blends timeless design with modern craftsmanship, offering customers a refined and meaningful experience. Their vision is to become Malaysia's leading premium handcrafted jewelry brand, recognized for artistry and customer-centered innovation. Memoria Jewels operate from their headquarters in Bangi Gateway, Selangor, with a dedicated team of 5 staff members. They have a strategy multi-channel presence, including a main boutique, an online store, and monthly pop-up booth at IOI City Mall. Their sales performance show an average of 35,000 to 50,000 ringgit Malaysia per monthly, with 70% coming from online platforms like Instagram and Shopee. However, despite this steady performance, Memoria faces challenges in customer retention and repeat purchases, which is exactly where our gamification solution comes in.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atika. Based on the introduction shared earlier, Memoria Jewelry has grown as a premium handcrafted jewelry brand. However, the company is facing several challenges that affect customer engagement, retention, and loyalty. The first problem is limited engagement after purchase. Currently, most interaction with customers start immediately after they complete a purchase. There are no structured post-purchase touchpoints like personalized recommendation, follow-up reward, or interactive experience. From a UI and UX perspective, we should always integrated UX because the brand is not keeping user engagement throughout the journey. Customers do not feel a long-term connection with the brand, which can reduce satisfaction and loyalty. In terms of universal core value, this is like user interactiveness, showing that experience is transactional rather than a relationship focus. The second problem is the absence of a full loyalty program. Although our system includes package, this only recognizes achievement and milestone. However, Memoria still lack of complete reward system with point membership tiers and redeemable perks. There is also a fun but without a structured program. Customers have less motivation to make repeat purchase. From a gamification perspective, a loyalty system is essential to drive engagement and encourage users to retain. In UX terms, this also related to autonomy UX because customers are not given meaningful choice to redeem point or earn reward. So the last problem is strong competition from the larger jewelry brand. Competitors often offer advanced digital experience, loyalty program, and interactive incentives. From a strategic and UX viewpoint, Memoria will lack differentiation. Without a unique gamified experience, customers may switch to brand that reward and recognize them more constantly. In terms of universal value, this affects trust and long-term relationship building. And as seen users prefer brands that continuously value and motivate them. So in conclusion, this problem shows that memorable mentioning is not product quality but user experience and engagement strategy. According to a package asset, the lack of complete loyalty program and interactive gamification element limits customer retention and engagement. Therefore, our objective focus on implementing a gamified loyalty system that aligns with UI or UX principles. Gamification strategies and universal core value to strengthen long-term customer loyalty and competitiveness. We try near to next session where Sophia will explain our business objectives. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sofia Namasara binti Shukri. My metric number is 2024788793. So I will explain the objective of our gamification strategy for content management. Our first objective is to increase customer retention by implementing a gamified loyalty program. This program rewards customers for consistent engagement through points, level bandage, and a milestone achievement. By turning by turning routine shopping activities into a fun and game-like experience, customers are encouraged to return more frequently. As a result, this strategy helps reduce customer loss, increase platform stickiness, and builds long-term relationships with loyal customers. The second objective is to boost repeat purchases through reward-based incentive and exclusive perks. Customers are motivated to make more frequent purchases by earning bonus points, unlocking tier-based benefits, and gaining access to exclusive member-only rewards. By linking rewards directly to purchasing behavior, the brand encourages customers to increase their purchase frequently, which unlimitedly helps improve overall sales and average order values. The third objective is to enhance customer engagement across digital platforms using interactive gamification elements. Features such as daily mention, spin wheel bonuses, progress dashboard, and share to earn activities to encourage customers to actively participate instead of just browsing. This interactive element make the digital experience more enjoyable, strengthen brand visibility, and help create a more engaged and connected online community. In conclusion, these three objectives work together to strengthen customer relationship, increase sales performance, and improve engagement through effective gamification strategies.
Hello, my name is Nadrina binti Rosadi, so I will explain about system development method. The Memoria JV system was developed using an angle-based interactive approach. This method focuses on building the system in small manageable modules, testing them early and continuously improving based on feedback and learning outcome from class. Justification for angle. The system requirement, e-commerce, admin management, reward, leaderboard involved during development. Angle allow flexibility to improve the UI and UX, security and functionality without restarting the project. Suitable for web-based system using PHP, MySQL and Bootstrap. Next, phase 1, analysis and planning. User behavior, business need and pain point were identified through the analysis of Memoria Jewels and setting operation. This aligns with the requirement analysis stage in SDLC, ensuring the system solves real problem. Next, phase 2, design, UI and UX gamification. Wireframe and interface design were created with a strong focus on UI principle, clean layout, pastel color palette, jewelry themed icon, UX principle, ease of navigation, feedback animation, and mobile responsive. Next, gamification element, point bench, leaderboard, avatar, progress bar. This stage reflects the user-centered design approach learning in class, ensuring its usability and engagement. Next, phase 3, development. The system integrated user profile and dashboard, point and reward logic, bench and leaderboard mechanism, content management for challenge and rewards. This demonstrated the application of content management system CMS and backhand logic in real-world business context. Next, phase 4, testing and iteration. Alpha and beta testing ensure functionality, usability, and system reliability. Feedback is used to refine UI and UX and reward balance, reflecting continuous improvement and interactive development. Next, admin model demonstration. Admin dashboard overview of user, order, product, and rewards. Dashboard layout prioritize important information first. Apply dashboard UI and UX for best practice. Next, manage product. Admin can add, edit, and delete the product. Image upload supported. Demonstration full code implementation. Next, manage order. Admin can view and update order status. Ensure efficient business operation. Next, manage user rewards and bench. Admin control user account, reward and bench can be updated dynamically. Support the scalability of the system. Next, report and analytics. Sell and activity report for decision making. Reflect data-driven thinking learned in class. Next, system demonstration. User model demonstration, registration and login. User register with unique email validation, secure login using session management, demonstrated security awareness learned in class. Next, product browsing. Product display with image, name and price, clean layout using Bootstrap and Create system, focus on UI consistency and visual hierarchy. Next, order and checkout system. User can add product to cart and place order details stored in database. Reflect real-world e-commerce workflow. And next, rewards and leaderboard. User earn reward and bench based on the activity. The bench increase engagement through the gamification. Demonstrate user motivation principle discussed in class. Next, the system demonstration showcase how user interacted with the gamified platform. User login and dashboard. User login, user are welcome with personalized dashboard display point, bench earn, activation and progress bar. This provide embedded feedback, a key of user experience principle learned in class. Next, gamified shopping experience. User can earn points for purchase, social sharing and popularity challenge. Bench such as first purchase and game collector reinforce motivation through the visible achievement. Next, reward autonomy. User can choose to how to redeem the point, discount, gift, or exclusive access to supporting the universal value of autonomy and increasing the satisfaction. Next, visual and emotional engagement. Smooth animation, GameStorm avatar, and pastel UI design can enhance the emotional connection and enjoyment, applying cosmetic and integrated user experience concept. Next, trust and transparency. Clear rule, progress tracking, and transparent terms ensure the user to understand the system, aligning with the ethical system design and legal user experience principle discussed in class. Conclusion, the Memoria GUI system successfully integrated design principle, gamification, and universal value with an angle framework, resulting in a functional, scalable, and user-centered solution. It demonstrated methodology, rigor practical application of classroom knowledge, and readiness to real-world development, making it strong and comprehensive academic submission. Thank you.